a rather abstract piece from the Tenke Fungurumu mine in the Katanga. Now, first of all, when you look at the reflection over there, you'll see a largish calcite crystal on the matrix. Pink, of course, cobaltine calcite. They are smaller, almost druzy cobaltine calcite crystals, coated by a thin layer of chrysocolla, and that in turn is coated by a thin layer of druzy quartz. So this would be the one aspect of display. Of course, you'd need a turntable for this. Then on a different section here, you've got a totally clean layer of the cobaltine calcite crystals. I don't think there are any druzy quartzes on the bottom, but they start running across there. Dusted, of course, again with a chrysocolla. Now we've just turned it around. So we're going to have a look into these aspects as well. Have a look at that pretty large cobaltine calcite crystal sitting there. We just give it a little bit. I think if you zoom into the still pictures, you'll have a better idea of the specimen. Then for the more orderly display would be this section where you have these the black material underlying, so lying on top of maybe even the dolomite matrix, or maybe even across the cobaltine calcite, would be tiny waxy black botroids of heterogenite, which in turn have been coated by a layer of milky to see-through druzy quartz. So all-round display on a turntable would go all around. Rather versatile piece. So one could actually advertise this as two different pieces depending on which angle you look at it from.